guys, Cohen here, and listen, I want to share with you a way where you can make a huge amount of money. Not only just a huge amount, but also in a continuous passive way, quickly and easily. I'm holding a special webinar this week only, and I'm letting the first 100 people in. As a matter of fact, I'm going to change that up. I'm going to let the first 150 people in, and the reason why I'm limiting it to 150 people is because I'm actually doing this webinar live. All right, so when you do it live, there's questions that you're answering, there's people that you're interacting with, so it takes a lot more energy, a lot more strength. They usually go on for a lot longer because, again, I'm answering every single question that you have about making money online, and specifically about this method that I use that is super easy, that anyone can get started with, and that you can start to see results with quickly. If you're looking for a way to, just do anything that requires you having more money, this is the best way to do it. This is the quickest way to do it. This is the easiest way to do it. Sign up right now. I'll see you on the other side.